Good morning, YouTube fam. I hope you guys are having an amazing Monday. I am sipping on my coffee in my Vuitton mug, and it says patience this morning. You know, my handbag lovers, I don't know, some of you guys probably, other than handbags, collect other things. You guys know I collect La Dule bag charms, and Vuitton mugs are another thing that I collect. I'm a coffee drinker. You see my Nespresso machine there. So if you're a tea drinker, coffee drinker, check out these Vuitton mugs. They have really cute sayings on them. You know, you could get at your Home Goods or TJ Maxx. So this cabinet right there is filled with Vuitton mugs. Like my friends come here like, you really collect these things? Yeah. So this morning I was feeling patient. So let's get to this unboxing. So you guys know this, the last unboxing I had was an epic haul to celebrate my 35th birthday, and I got bit by the Louis Vuitton bug, and I got the 2015 limited edition pieces, the mini pochette, and also the coin purse. So they are amazing, 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 amazing. And for coated canvas, it smells good on the inside. It smells really good. This material on the inside look like cross grain leather. So I don't know if that's what I'm smelling. That smells so good, but it smells really good in there. You know, I like the things about smell. But anywho, so there were some pieces that I went and added another piece from one of the holiday collection, and this one's from 2016. So you guys see this. Let's go ahead and open this. And some of you guys, if you're on my, you know, Instagram fam or CGR, if you're on there, you already know what this is, because I was so excited. I'm like, it's coming, it's coming. So it came, I bought it from Fashion File, like these other two pieces, and the UPS man just dropped it off. The hubby signed for it. So excited. So this is how it comes in. It says, from the bottom of this box, and it just had some tissue paper tack on it. Okay, so it won't move more stuff. And then in here is where you get your receipts and stuff in here. And this is the piece, because I can feel it. And just a thank you card. All right, so let's put this down. And let's open this beauty. It says it's the new. So it is a mini pochette, as you can see, hanging from here. And let's slide this bad boy. This is so stinking cute, guys. So this is the transatlantic collection, from that collection, the mini pochette. And so you have a man and a woman with their LV trunk luggage, and they're waiting for their cruise. It's just, I don't know, I felt like it was very summery, and you know, I want to travel more and stuff, and I just thought, and you know, the hubby and I going to Santorini, Greece. I just thought this would be really cute. I have another Coach piece that I also got. It's a Coach Bowery that I plan on using, and I thought this would be really cute to take on my trip. This lighting here. There we go. We'll just get close so you guys can see. So this is the Damier Azul print. Isn't that so cute? And then this chain, this gold chain is like really pretty, y'all. And on the back, it's nothing. So yeah, so I've seen some people put like how you can wear it, like there's like a chain you can buy from eBay or whatever and connect it and wear it as a crossbody. So that's what I was thinking. So I'm like, I could have these two pieces. This is what's going in my head, you know. I'm on travel mode, and I just thought these pieces goes with my personality. So yes, isn't this cute? So yeah, that was my other piece I wanted to add from their limited edition holiday edition. So this is from 2015, the Louis Vuitton Evasion, with the car and the dog in the seat, and I don't know, it just looks so carefree. They're like, I'm out, let's go vacation, like let's travel. And then this is the Louis Vuitton Transatlantic 2016 holiday one with the ship. So so I'm very excited. I wanted to see it in person because these two I was like, when it came out in 2015, and then I saw it on Instagram, like I think I saw it on Instagram like January 2016, and it was sold out on a website. And then, you know, now I'm like revisiting other brands and stuff, branching out and looking what other brands has to offer. And I was like, I remember, I was like, what was it that I wanted from Louis Vuitton? And it was this. I wanted this, and I was like, maybe it's out in the pre-owned market, and I was able to find it in pretty good condition, especially this one. And in this one, you know, it had that little mark here. So this is what I really wanted. So when I saw the transatlantic one, I was like, you know, this is cute too, you know, to add to my small leather goods. Or I don't know, would this be considered small leather? I mean, I guess some pieces are leather. I guess this cross grain, I'm assuming. And this is coated canvas. I don't know. So what would you call it? Is this still considered small leather goods, even though it's mostly coated canvas, or small coated canvas goods? But I love it. I really love it. And there's some other stuff I'm looking into. LV. I'm looking into their epi leather. I was looking at some of their speedies because I love this Damier Azur print. So I was looking like I would like a speedy in this print, and in the epi leather. So yeah, so this is what I got, y'all. So this is my little LV collection. I thought it was so fun. Got transatlantic, got evasion. So we out here, you know, we leave it. So okay, hope you guys are having an amazing Monday. So I'm gonna continue sipping on my coffee, and I'm gonna go help my hubby train our dogs, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.